गाइज, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सीसी टेक सॉल्यूशन में। आज के वीडियो में बताने वाले एसक्यूएल व्यू एंड एसक्यूएल स्टोर प्रोसीजर एंड एसक्यूएल ट्रिगर के बारे में। चलिए लेट्स आज के वीडियो में स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज एसक्यूएल व्यू एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर द एसक्यूएल प्रोवाइड्स द कंसेप्ट ऑफ व्यू विच hides the complexity of data and restricts the unnecessary access to database. It permits the user to access only particular column rather than the whole data of the table. The view in a structured query language is considered as a virtual table depends on the re- which depends on the sets of the predefined SQL statement. Like the SQL table view also store the data in row and column, but the row do not have any physical existence in a database. Any database administrator and user can easily create view by selecting the column from one or more database table. They can also delete and update the views according to their needs. A view can store either all the records of the table or a particular records from the table using where clause. Syntax of view to create a. Now let's go for the create view name as select it is a present in our already created table name, and select it is all out of retrieve the data from another table in a view from, and where clause to condition to filter the all the data whatever we want to show in the view. Now let's move for the SQL stored procedure. A stored procedure in a structured query language is group of logical statements stored in a database for performing a particular task. It is a sub program consisting of a name, a list of parameter and transact SQL statement. Now let's any user can store the stored procedure as a name object in the SQL database and can call it by using the trigger or other procedure. And other programming applications such as Java, PHP, and R languages, C, Sharp, Python, and etc. SQL database creates and execute plan and store it in the cache memory. When the stored procedure is called for the first time, the plan is used by the SQL server which execute the stored procedure quickly with the reliable performance. Now let's move for the syntax of the stored procedure. Create a procedure. Here is the procedure name as and select the start from all the data in a stored procedure from the table and go. Now let's move for the trigger. A trigger in a structured query language is set of procedure statement which are executed automatically when there is any response to certain events on a particular table in the database. Triggers are used to protect the data integrity in database, and in SQL this concept is same as the trigger in real life. For example, when we pull the gun trigger, the bullet is fired. Thank you for watching my video. I will meet you next time.